Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gray Beer Garage. My name is Matt, and today we're out here in our little shed at home. And we're going to kind of talk to you today about the Ryobi or Ryobi, or however you want to say it. Tools here in front of me. These are part of Home Depot's Black Friday, pre-Black Friday, and post-Black Friday sale. This sale doesn't change. It's going to go on till who knows when, right? So basically the deal is, on this set here, you get your drill and you get your impact driver for $1.99. It comes with a bag and two 2-amp-hour batteries. That's for $1.99. Then you get two free tools. And I opted to get the brushless jigsaw here, and these are the Ryobi 1 HP tools. So I wanted to make sure I got those, which means these are brushless. And then in addition to that, we got this free tool, which is the angle grinder. And those are bare tools. These two are bare tools. This pack comes with the charger, the 2-amp-hour, two 2-amp-hour batteries, and a bag. So the total came out to like 200 and change, but it was pretty cool because now I've got 4 new tools here, which is pretty awesome. So that is in addition to my 1/2-inch impact drive that I have up on the property. So the idea behind this was for me to have a set of tools up on the property and then a set of tools that I can leave here. For the last few years, I've been bringing up everything, all my hand tools, all my electrician's tools, my DeWalt tools, everything I have to pack up in the truck and bring it up to the property so that I have tools to work with when I'm on the property. So the reason we're going with Ryobi instead of DeWalt or Milwaukee or whatever else is I want to try the Ryobi out and see what they are, because from everything that I've seen online, they are a good tool. I have used the 1/2-inch impact on the property. It works great. I don't have any complaints with it at all. But I do want to try these out because these are kind of like a prosumer grade tool. So we're going to give these things a try and see how they perform on the property. I could have gone with a more expensive tool. I could have just maybe duplicated the DeWalt set that I already have up there. But I wanted to try these out and see how they worked out. So we're going to let you know as we use these tools what we think about them. And you'll be seeing me using them on the property. In addition to that, I think my wife is going to pick up a couple extra tools for Christmas, which would be nice. And when I get those and we figure out what they are, and hopefully I get them. So this is a hint. I kind of need that circ saw and recip saw, so maybe we'll get those for Christmas. But wanted to show you these guys, and if I think about it, maybe we can get a screenshot of the Home Depot deals that are out there, and we'll put that maybe somewhere here in this video. I'm going to unbox these real quick, and we'll take a look at those also unboxed, and then I'll put them all back in the box and bring them up to the property. So let's go ahead and unbox these things. Oh, ow, almost broke my freaking neck. Okay guys, so we broke the tape open on these. Let's go ahead and get into these and take a quick look and see what we got here. I just want you guys to see how they come in. So here is our drill driver set, and they come in the box already in the bag, which is kind of cool. So let's take this thing out, see what we got. So it's a nice little bag for these. It comes with the Ryobi directions, blah, 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 warranty information, yada, 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 right? So here's our little charger. And let's take a look at the tools. Alright, so here's our drill. This has got a nice balance to it. Let's see here, what do we got? Let's pull this off. Alright. Nice. A little torquey. That's nice. Alright. So this is a 1/2-inch chuck, just so you guys know. And it does have a metal chuck here. The neck is metal, so that's kind of nice instead of having the plastic. So let's go ahead and set that one there. Let's go ahead and pull out our driver. And so this is the, what is this, 3/8? Is that right? Well, you know, let's read this while we're sitting here, right? I don't know. I think that's what it is. It sounds good anyway. Whatever. Anyway, let's go ahead and pop our battery off. Take this little protective covering off here. So now we got that exposed. That's good. Awesome. So let's see. Nice. Got our little collar here. Alright. That's not bad. I like it. Now, obviously, these batteries don't come fully charged, but let's take a look up close and see what we got here. So these do come with the 18-volt lithium. Let's see, what's this say? Lithium high performance. Alright, so here we go. Take a look at that. Pretty, pretty, pretty. We can see here is our indicator, power indicator. And you can see it's only on a 1, so we're going to have to charge these up. This has got a nice feel to it. It's nicely balanced, so it feels good in your hand. And then, let's see. Let's take a look at this one up close. So again, this is the 1 HP, the brushless. We got our metal chuck here, 1/2 inch. Nice feel in the hands again, nicely balanced. And it's the same battery that was in the driver. So let's go back over here and we'll take these and pull them out of the way real quick. Okay. Take all of our reading material for later. And that bag is a nice little bag. I'll stick this back in the box. Alright. I'll just leave these in the box till I get them up to the property. Alright. Get our trash here out of the way. So you'll see there's a little heater behind me because it's like 57 degrees in Florida, which by Floridian standards is freezing. Although I am in a sweatshirt and shorts, so you know, whatever. So let's take out our little angle grinder and see what we have here. So the angle grinder looks pretty nice. And so here's our guard. Here's your handle, your side handle. Let's pop this open. So here's the bare tool. It does come with your tool. And then it also comes with a grinding stone. And then let's take this out of the bag and have a look at it. Let's throw a battery on it too and see what that does, huh? Oh, nope, never mind. I put the batteries up. So anyway, I think with the battery on here, it'll be fairly well balanced. Oh, that's pretty cool. So let's take a look at this thing up close. So, up close, view. I need some more light back here, don't I? Here's our Ryobi. Backside of it, right? So this is another, as I said, this is the 1 plus HP. Here's our collar that we use to take our pieces on and off with. Now here is, I think, the lock for that. So if we push here, and we should be able to take this and tighten this up by hand. Now that's pretty cool. You can take this piece here and flip it down, and then flip it up to tighten it down. That's pretty darn cool. Mine does not have that. My other one. Of course, that's a cheapo, but anyway, there it is. That's what that looks like. Obviously, we can put a guard on here. It's a larger guard. So let's go ahead and put this tool back in. All right. Put that there. This goes over here. Okay. Put our handle in. Cool. I like it. Something new to play with. So we'll take that and set it to the side. Very nice indeed. So here we go. And it was so stinking cold when I came in here. So I got that little heater and it's bearable now. So let's go ahead and open this up. Take a look at what we got here. Now this is our little, what is this, a jigsaw? Yeah, jigsaw. So let's pull this out. Now this comes with a bunch of reading material as well. And it also comes with one smooth cut wood blade. Fancy. Very fancy. So it's pretty nice. Again, it feels nice in your hand. It's got some heft to it, which is nice. It does have a couple of different orbital modes. It's got a lock-unlock feature here. And then here's where you can change out your blades. Cool stuff. Let's take a look up close. So again, this is the Ryobi 1+ HP. Here is your orbital mode, so you can change different modes here. This is a lock-unlock feature. And, which I'm not sure, I think that might be for this bottom here, so you can, oh yeah, that's what it is. So you can rotate the foot. And then you can lock it back into your level. And then here is how we change out our, this is how we change out the blade. So, and it does have a speed adjustment here on the top. So overall, pretty nice tool. Good little pickup. So, they do have a few tools to choose from for your freebies when you buy the $199 set. I wouldn't say that the free ones are really not what would have been my top choice to get. Unfortunately, for the promotion, you are limited to, I don't know, I think 12 different kinds of tools. But what I really wanted was the 7 1/4 inch circular saw in the recip saw, but they only had the 6 1/4 or 6 1/2 circular, which I would prefer the larger full-size one. And then they only had the one-handed recip saw, and I want the full-size recip. So we opted to go for these instead, and down the road we'll get exactly what I want when it comes to the skill saw and the recip saw. So guys, that's really it for today. I just wanted to take a few minutes to show you the purchases that we did make as part of the Home Depot pre-Black Friday sale. And again, this is still going on, so you can go into your local Home Depot right now and go get the same exact deal, same exact tools. I don't think they're going to vary too much by location. They should all be pretty much the same, I would imagine. So that's it. That's our quick Ryobi breakdown. Thanks, guys, for checking us out, as always, here at Graybeard Garage. My name is Matt, and remember, you can do anything if you put your mind to it. We'll see you here next time.